Hi, everybody. It's Emily from LifterLMS here today to tell you about a new feature in LifterLMS 9.0 and an interesting way to edit that feature. So this is going to be a quick video today. This is about how to limit the amount of logins within a certain time period. So if someone tries to check out on your website 10 times within 15 minutes, you can turn on the spam protection feature so that they're not allowed to complete that checkout. They're going to get blocked after 10 times of failures within 15 minutes. Oftentimes, credit card spammers will come to your website with a list of credit cards that they have stolen somewhere from the internet or bought off of data brokers or whatever. They're going to potentially find your website, find a cheap product or maybe even expensive product and just kind of like test the credit cards. At LifterLMS, we have a $1 trial where you can try our product for 30 days for $1. And that's a frequent target for credit card testing. Bots will come to the site and try to buy like a bunch of dollar trials with all the credit cards they have on file and see if one of them goes through to see which ones are valid. So always recommend the best data security online, getting your data deleted, because data brokers are handing off this stuff in the background, but sometimes they'll find your website, find a cheap product on your website and try to spam it to see which cards work. And this feature is an easy one. You just have to check the box and 10 failures in 15 minutes will block them off the checkout. And for developers, I have an extra side note. I can show you how to change this feature, or at least point you in the right direction. So I'm going to share my coding interface, and you can make fun of me for it if you want to in the comments, but this cryptic coding interface helps me understand as a developer what I'm doing, because then I have to read it slowly with my dyslexia. But basically, you can define these constants in the WP config file to override. This is going to be your 10 login attempts, define the number limit, and this is going to be in seconds, your 15 minutes. So you could redefine these variables, LMS spam protection, number limit, and then the spam action time limit. So you can define those in your WP config file. If you wanted to change it to maybe like 5 failures in 5 minutes, that would be how you could do that. The message on the back end of WordPress where it said 10 failures within 15 minutes, that's hard-coded in Lifter. So as a developer, you would also have to change the message if you're changing it for your customer with the user interface. But that's how you can redefine those variables. So then hopefully it should give you whatever failures in whatever minutes you want. But that's it for this video. That's how you can block spammers from testing credit cards on your website. Make sure to keep your data safe online, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.